and Namaskar. In today's video, we are going to perform one simple experiment for preparation of science practical examination. The aim of this experiment is to determine the focal length of convex lens. Science and Technology Practical Examination Experiment number 10. The aim of experiment is to obtain the focal length of convex lens. For this experiment, we require convex lens, this is lens stand, and the screen. Here we have diagram for this experiment. This is incident rays, this is our convex lens, this is screen, and to measure the distance between lens and screen, we are going to use this meter scale. Least count of the meter scale is, we know, that is a 1 mm. Now let's start. First, this lens we have to put on this lens stand. Fix the screen here. Now, take any object, distant object like tree, any buildings, image of buildings, and the electric poles or other windows, any object. Obtain the image on the screen of that object, distant object, and move this lens back and forth towards the screen so that we obtain a clear image on the screen. Let's see. We have to fix this lens such a way that we obtain a clear image of distant object on the screen. Now this is a clear image of tree. Now measure the distance between the screen and lens. We obtain this distance is 20 centimeter. Suppose first object is a window. We obtain a distance between lens and screen is a 20 centimeter. Next, take another object like buildings and again obtain a clear image on screen. Here again, see, you obtain the same distance 20 centimeter. Similarly, take one more object like tree and obtain a clear image of that tree on the screen by shifting this lens back and forth. Again we obtain same distance, that is a 20 centimeter. Now calculate average distance of these three reading. The average distance is 20 centimeter between lens and the screen. Now move this lens in 180 degree angles, means make that another surface of the lens toward the object and calculate or determine the focal length of convex lens of this surface. Repeat same procedure for this surface also. Again obtain the clear image on screen for another surface of the convex lens. Here also we have same distance between lens and screen, that is a 20 centimeter. Take one more readings for another object. Again measure the distance between, see now the maximum clear image we obtain. Again measure the distance between screen and lens, again it is 20 centimeter. Now take the another object as a tree and obtain a clear image on the screen. Here we have clear image. Now see, again we obtain the same reading, means distance between lens and screen is a 20 centimeter. Again determine the average distance between lens and screen, that is 60 divided by 3, we obtain 20 centimeter as a average reading. Now from this observation we can determine the inference. The first focal length of the convex lens, that is f1, when first a surface of the lens is focusing towards the object, that is a 20 centimeter. Second focal length of the convex lens is also obtained 20 centimeter. From first and second observation, the lens used in this experiment is a symmetry lens, means the both focal length, that is f1 and f2, f1 is equal to f2, both focal length are same, such a lens is called symmetric lens. Student, I hope you understood this experiment very well. Thanks.